So here we go. We are currently downstairs. This is the front door. Okay, north facing main door, main floor. It's where we entered. Okay, so we're turning around. This is, can you see, it's a little dark, but this is going to be one of my doors. Isn't that beautiful? Love it. This is one of the old doors from Rick. There's the back side of its twin. This one has a kind of an opaque glass, perhaps, area on the top. So one will be for my office / bedroom, and the other one will be for the guest room. So they'll be upstairs. So here we go. This is the kitchen. Okay, now it's kind of a workshop, and look at how much space there is going to be here with that closet no longer in place. Okay, so there's the birth room. Okay, now we're gonna go upstairs. Okay, this is the hallway. There's an area here beneath the stairs that we're gonna turn into storage. Okay. Upstairs. And here's my office. Let's check out the new windows. Alright. Looks nice. Yeah, I wonder how this one's going to open. Huh. I don't know. I'll figure that one out. And then we've got these windows here, 4x4. Dennis tells me that they're easy to clean, which I'm so excited about, being able to clean them on the inside and the outside. So I will enjoy that, and look at how much light comes in. How exciting. Okay, that's the radiator that used to be in this room, being repurposed. Okay, the north facing window, the new chimney casing. Here is what is most likely going to be the bedroom, and I love the large size of the windows. I didn't realize that these two windows look. They're smaller. They're smaller. Oh, that's interesting. Yeah, I did not realize that. Were they smaller before, or are they just ordered smaller? Okay. And then this nice big one here. Right. So. And then there's the bathroom being worked on right now. So it looks like they picked up all the stuff from there, all the excess stuff, unless that's somewhere else. Yeah, I was gonna maybe go through there and grab a couple of the ring holder and stuff. Just maybe a ceramic thing. Yep, too late. You always think you have forever. Looks pretty small, doesn't it? So, looking out for the backyard. There's the little mini closet. Window And hey, Dennis, I was wondering, do you know if this window opens?
That one does not open.
It doesn't open. Really? Wow. That's interesting.